All right, guys, here we go. Taking a look at the daily chart of Apple. Had really, well, pretty good earnings, 6% to the upside surprise, and then on revenue, 2%. We started down here obviously from yesterday, gapped up, big gap, and it's been running pretty hard. However, retail crowd's always wrong, so we're expecting, to catch a little pullback here. We did exceed and are pushing up and over this long-term uptrend line, that white line, going back to December. This go dash line here was our primary uh, area of resistance. And then the secondary would be our red dash line. If I get there, find it. Up here at 178. Not sure we'll hit that, but let's take this to that pivot over here. Ooh, I don't want to lock it. That's going back to August of 2022 at 174. Yeah, right in there. Let me put my magnet on, really sink that in perfectly. Get back here, go to my 2 minute. And we're going to strong time count as well. And see, that's 173.58. This 174, almost, a little bit more high side, 174 even, being area of interest to us. If not, then if we take out this, yeah, that current candle there, because we're on this time count, so that's what I was looking at in the big gap up here, percentage wise. And also another thing, when you break, according to classical technical analysis, you break a resistance zone or a support zone, you come back, retest it, and then continue if that's the way the market wants to go. So that's another. So you have to be, you know, flexible here. Trade this stuff on the fly. So we had a couple of factors on our side. The time count that I just said, and then coming into those whole round even numbers like that 174. You don't have to exactly hit it, but get in that range. Uh, that takes care of things as well. So yeah, getting a little bit of positive ATM momentum here. So maybe we can get some more downside. Now we have about 30, less than 30 seconds on this candle. It's 2 minute candle. So depending on where it closes, we might have more downside to go. So I'm gonna put you on pause and I'm gonna do a measurement here. And that's for our Patreon members, and we don't, want to share that to the world. Well, I'm gonna have to wait a second. There's 4 more seconds. I don't think I can do it that quick. Uh, okay, I'll do it. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. We're possibly looking for a target down here at this. I'll make that blue right there. Get this all lined back up. And if we can't take out the top up here, I'm gonna bring that down. That's this area is more important than that secondary area. If we can't take it out, then yeah, Apple, that's no bueno. Looks like institutions might be selling a little bit up here, getting out of there, helping them get out of there some of their long positions. But still got about 40 seconds to go here. Anyway, let me put you on pause again, and we'll pick it up as the price action picks up. So they're just watching paint dry here. Yeah, I'm back with you. If we come up over that red line, red dash line, I'm going to take another position here. on the short side, of course. I'm gonna go ahead and take it there. Where we closed yesterday to the high of today, yeah, uh, well over 4%. So that was a pretty good move. I don't know how much more gas is in the tank, to take Apple higher, but we need to break down under this green candle right there to be safer to bring down to our measured move here to the blue dash line. That's what we're looking for. Let me put my 8 exponential up there. Oh, yeah, yeah, okay. There it is consolidating. We're not totally just rolling over to the downside. Uh, Still just watch it. That one's 73.43 seems to be so far a wall there. Yeah, here we go. That might be the ticket. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, let me put that 8 back on there. Yeah, gray line. That's what we're looking for. Uh, just looking for a tag of it. Could go sideways, let it catch up. Either the price goes sideways or sideways and down. Also, that's only two ways it can go to catch up with that 8 exponential. We'll let me yeah, I'm gonna put it back on pause here and then pick it up here in a few seconds. Okay, guys, that candle just closed. Just got a new candle here, and this is what's going to happen. Okay, we seem to be forming an inside bar sideways consolidation zone here, and either we're going to drop through support down into that 8 exponential gray line, or it'll build, support a base. They'll come at bulls come in and break it up through the red dash line here of resistance. And it generally happens on the uh, fifth candle. So if not this one, it'll happen on the next one. So we'll either, yeah, there's only two ways it can go. Break to the downside, which we're looking to happen, or hey, the bulls come in here to support it. It'll break hard to the upside. And we'll run it to that gold dash line. So, but we're gonna be getting out, taking profit, whatever, when we slam into that gray dash line. Here we go. Matter of fact, I don't know, like we were talking about earlier, come up, according to classical technical analysis, and that might be good enough for government work as far as that price coming down into that 8 exponential right there. Anyway, price breaks through a previous resistance zone, comes back retested, and then moves. We'll see first. We need to break that support here, that blue line. I don't know what it looks like. There we go. That's good. basically we're trading in here, broke. We'll see if we stay, you know, uh, bearish to the downside. It's holding up pretty good. Normally you get a waterfall um, to the downside when you break like that. Okay, let me put you on pause. We're already 10 minutes in this video. People like them short and sweet, so let's put it on pause. We'll pick it up. Okay, here we go. Let's see how close we can get. Okay, we're hitting it. Let's see if we get a bounce or a drop. Okay, if we get follow through, okay, either this candle or the next one will be green. So yeah, let me put a done candle as you call it before it happens. So either the current one or the next one should go green. Uh, yeah, there we go. Okay, got another minute 20 here. Oop. Okay, but the trick is getting back over that blue dash line. That 8 so far is holding it. Okay, about 30 some seconds here. Let's see if that holds. Okay, well, yeah, we are. I guess we get credit for the green candle. We said this one or the next one, so it obviously this one. But we still have 20 seconds. Anything could happen. It could turn red. And then if it is green, we will, yeah, it looks like it's going to do all right. Okay, here we go, the next one. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and call it. We'll get out of here. Uh, Thanks for watching. If you want to learn how to do this stuff, make the market your ATM. Come check out our Patreon member site. Give us a follow on Twitter, and we will see you on the charts.